Question given below are two statements. Statement 1. The Golgi cisternae are concentrically arranged near the nucleus with distinct convexes or the forming phase and concave trans or the maturing phase. Statement 2 में क्या दिया है? The cis and trans phases of the organelle are identical and interconnected. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. So here answer is C. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. स्टेटमेंट 1 में क्या दिया है? गोल्गी सिस्टरनी जो है न्यूक्लियस के पास कॉन्सेंट्रिकली अरेंज रहते हैं और दे हैव डिस्टिंक्ट कॉन्वेक्स और द फॉर्मिंग फेज, दिस वन, एंड कॉन्क्यू ट्रांस और द मैच्योरिंग फेज विच आर ऑन द अपोजिट साइड ऑफ द गोल्गी एपरेटस. स्टेटमेंट 2 में क्या दिया है? सिस एंड ट्रांस फेसेस ऑफ द ऑर्गेनेल आर आइडेंटिकल, बट व्हेन वी सी द डायग्राम दे आर ऑन अपोजिट साइड एंड नॉट आइडेंटिकल and interconnected. Their statement 2 is false and statement 1 is true. Next question given below are two statements. Statement 1. Concentrically arranged cisternae of Golgi complex are arranged near the nucleus with distinct convexes or forming phase and concave trans or maturing phase. Statement 2 में क्या दिया है? Number of proteins are modified in the cisternae of Golgi complex before they are released from the cis phase. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Here correct answer is A. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. So here we know that cisternae of Golgi complex, they are concentrically arranged near the nucleus and they have two phases, convexes or the forming phase and concave trans or maturing phase. और जो प्रोटीन्स हैं गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स में उनका मॉडिफिकेशन होता है, पैकेजिंग होता है, एंड देन दे आर रिलीज फ्रॉम द trans phase of the Golgi complex and not from the cis phase, and that's why statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Which of the following statements are correct in the context of Golgi apparatus? Here answer is B, A and C only. A statement क्या दिया है? It is important site for the formation of glycoprotein and glycolipids. This is correct. It produces cellular energy in the form of ATP. We know that mitochondria is the site for the production of energy in the form rough endoplasmic reticulum पे जो भी प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइज होते हैं that are then released to the cis phase of the Golgi apparatus where it modifies, then packed and transported through the trans phase of the Golgi apparatus, or which is also called as the maturing phase of the Golgi apparatus. That's why C is correct. D. It facilitates the transport of ions. It is the function of plasma membrane and not Golgi complex. That's why this is wrong. It provides mechanical support. So this is function of cell wall. That's why statement A and C are correct and all other three statements are wrong. Match list 1 with list 2. So here correct answer is A. Christie. Answer is 3. Enfoldings in mitochondria. We know that the inner membrane of the mitochondria is highly folded and that folds are called as a Christie. Second, thylakoids. Answer is 4. Flattened membranous sacs in the stroma of plastids. We know that number of thylakoids are present in the stroma which form the grana where light reactions of the photosynthesis takes place. Then is the centromere. The metaphase chromosome, it consists of two chromatids which are attached to the centromere and which is also called as a primary constriction. That's why answer is 1. Cisternae, these are nothing but the disc shaped sacs in Golgi apparatus.